Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'll show you on how to automatically share your Instagram post to your Facebook. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Facebook account. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my Facebook app. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to simply click on this slider. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for settings and privacy. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on account center. Take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on sharing cross profiles. Now the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Instagram account. So what you need to do right here is to turn on this particular button. With that, each time you are posting content on your Instagram, it will automatically share to your Facebook account. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.